Here's a new way to start or scale your e-commerce store without draining your budget on expensive agencies or endless trial and error. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly why Skuology might be the fastest track to building a profitable online store. If you're a solopreneur, an e-commerce store owner doing $1 million a year, or just curious about launching your first online business, you're in the right place. Hey there, I'm Darian Hran and welcome to Skuology. Let me backtrack for a moment and share a bit about myself. I'm a proud polymath solopreneur with passion for marketing, conversion rate optimization, Shopify, web design, A/B testing, branding, you name it. I work with ad agencies, design studios, and for 6 to 8-figure e-commerce brands. But I always felt stifled. My growth and potential were limited, not to mention how businesses would outsource every little task to agencies, incurring huge monthly bills. I realized that approach was completely unsustainable for most homeowners, especially smaller ones who didn't have the unlimited budgets or dev teams at their disposal. So I left that world behind and start my own thing, Skuology. Alongside my partner Letitia, we built Skuology as a community for people like us, solopreneurs, entrepreneurs, and marketers who want to take charge of their online store success without paying through the nose. Right now, e-commerce is a $6 trillion global market and climbing. That's amazing potential, but it also means fierce competition. In fact, the average e-commerce conversion rate hovers around 2%, which might be okay for some, but for others it's a big red flag. If you're running ads and only converting in 2%, you're leaving a lot of money on the table. To combat low conversions, many store owners hire agencies or developers, invest thousands of dollars, and wait weeks or months to just implement basic improvements. It's enough to drive you crazy, but it doesn't have to be that way. This is where Skuology comes in. Skuology is more than just a company, it's a tribe of people dedicated to mastering e-commerce one SKU at a time. We believe in community and transparency. We share what works, what doesn't, and we all grow together. Do-it-yourself empowerment, you shouldn't have to shell out for expensive devs or agencies. User-centered design and conversion rate optimization, because at the end of the day, it's about your customer's experience. As a Skuologist, you get free access to our community, including real-time feedback, behind-the-scenes looks at our own stores, and the chance to connect with people who've been there. We're here to democratize e-commerce growth. No more gatekeeping. Now, let's talk about Baseline, our pride and joy. Think of Baseline as a fast track to a high-converting Shopify store. With Baseline framework, you can use CRO-optimized theme sections, no coding required and no guesswork needed. Apply data-driven insights. We've drawn from 100 million in revenue and 70 plus e-commerce projects to fine-tune these CRO sections. Enjoy fast and easy customization. Change colors, fonts, layouts, do it all yourself without hiring a designer or developer. Run A/B tests. Don't just guess, test what works and watch your conversion rates climb even higher. Embrace best practices from day one. We bake proven UX and conversion tactics right into every section. You can also grab additional resources, links in description. One is Baseline wireframes, which quickly map out your store layout and provide design principles. We have CRO checklists, light with 84 items and pro with 507 plus items, which is perfect for do-it-yourself audits to ensure you're not missing any conversion boosting tricks. And the best part, no subscriptions required. You buy only the premium sections or tools you need. Just to paint a clear picture, let me share a quick example. One of my past clients, Jane, ran an organic skincare Shopify store. She was paying $5,000 a month to a digital agency for minimal changes and slow communication. Within 2 weeks of installing Baseline and applying the CRO Checklist Pro, Jane saw her conversion rate jump from 1.9% to 3.2%. She saved a ton of money by canceling her agency retainer and reinvested in ads, inventory, and additional premium Baseline sections. and our coaching. That's the power of data-driven and conversion-focused design, and Jane's just one of many clients we had. I can't wait to share more success stories with you in upcoming videos. So why would you care? If you're tired or feeling stuck with mediocre conversions, or if you've been frustrated by an agency's high fees or glacial pace, Skuology is your alternative. We offer clarity, actionable steps, and a network of peers to help you test ideas, gather feedback, and boost results. Plus, you stay in full control of your store. No more monthly invoices or being kept in the dark. Just you, your vision, and the resources to make it a reality. But now you're probably thinking, all right, where do I start? That's simple. Join Skuology for free. When you do, you gain immediate access to our community, your personal dashboard, behind-the-scenes looks at our stores, live CRO audits, and so much more. You can also check out Baseline and our other tools, Baseline Shopify app and Wireframe's CRO Checklist Lite, and even Go Pro if you need the extra juice. So if you're ready to transform your store, just hit the link in the description below or visit Skuology.com. And hey, if you have any questions or comments, drop them below in the video. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for turning in to learn about Skuology. This is just the beginning. We'll be diving deeper into why Baseline works, the community-driven CRO strategies, and live store audits in future videos. Make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give this video a thumb up if you found it helpful. Once again, I'm Darian Hren, reminding you that you can absolutely run a thriving online store with the right framework, a bit of passion, and an amazing community backing you. Until next time, keep optimizing, and I'll see you in the next video.